Welcome back. Today we're revealing the top 15 free tools people use on the dark web to stay invisible online. From browsers and operating systems to encrypted apps and file shredders, we'll break down how each one works to keep users untraceable. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Understand the tech, don't misuse it. Let's dive into the world of digital invisibility. First up is the Tor browser, a powerful tool that has become synonymous with online privacy and anonymity. If you've ever wondered how people access the dark web or keep their internet activity hidden from prying eyes, Tor is almost always the answer. Think of Tor as the front door to the dark web, a gateway that allows users to slip past digital surveillance and censorship. When you use Tor, your internet traffic is bounced through a series of volunteer-operated servers scattered across the globe. Each time your data passes through a server, it's wrapped in another layer of encryption, much like the layers of an onion, hence the name, the onion router. This process ensures that no single point along the route knows both who you are and where you're going. Your identity and your destination remain separated, making it extremely difficult for anyone, whether it's hackers, corporations, or even governments, to track your online movements. Tor is the essential tool for accessing .onion sites, which are special websites only reachable through the Tor network. These sites offer everything from whistleblower platforms to privacy-focused forums, and Tor helps you visit them while erasing your digital footprint. Best of all, Tor is completely free, open source, and surprisingly easy to use. Anyone can download and install it in just a few minutes, making the foundation of online anonymity accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. Without Tor, staying invisible online would be nearly impossible. It's the first step for anyone serious about protecting their privacy and exploring the hidden corners of the internet. Number 2 is Tails OS, an entire operating system built for zero trace. Run it from a USB stick, and it leaves no evidence on your computer. Every session wipes itself clean, and all internet traffic is forced through Tor. Shut it down, and it's like you were never there. For maximum privacy, Tails is the ultimate portable, disposable, invisible computer. It's a must for anyone who needs to vanish digitally. Third on our list is the VPN, a virtual private network, often considered the cornerstone of online privacy for everyday users. Imagine it as a secure tunnel that shields your internet activity from prying eyes, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling abroad. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, scrambled into unreadable code, and routed through a remote server. This process not only hides your real IP address, but also makes it appear as if you're browsing from a completely different location, sometimes even another country. As a result, your internet service provider and the websites you visit can only see the VPN server's information, not your own. This means your browsing habits, downloads, and even your physical location remain hidden from advertisers, trackers, and potential cybercriminals. For true privacy, it's crucial to choose a VPN provider that has a strict no-logs policy. This means they don't keep records of your online activities, ensuring that even if someone asks for your data, there's nothing to hand over. Some advanced VPNs even offer multi-hop features, chaining your connection through several servers in different countries. This adds extra layers of protection, making it even harder for anyone to trace your digital footsteps. Think of a VPN as your first and most essential layer of defense, a digital shield that stands between you and the open internet, before you even consider using other privacy tools. For many people, a VPN is the digital cloak that marks the beginning of their journey toward true online privacy and security. Fourth is DuckDuckGo, the search engine that doesn't track you. Unlike Google, it doesn't log your searches, IP, or build a profile on you. Every search is a clean slate, no breadcrumbs, no data trail. Dark web users often set it as their default in Tor for double anonymity. It's a simple but crucial step in breaking the chain of surveillance. Number 5 is Signal Messenger, the gold standard for private chats. It uses end-to-end encryption, so only you and your contact can read messages. Signal collects almost no metadata and even offers disappearing messages. Its open-source protocol is trusted by security experts worldwide. For truly private conversations, Signal is the go-to app. When privacy matters, you don't just hope. It's Signal or nothing. 6th is ProtonMail, the encrypted email service based in Switzerland. Emails between ProtonMail users are end-to-end encrypted. No one, not even ProtonMail, can read them. No personal info is needed to sign up, so you can stay anonymous. You can even send encrypted messages to non-users with a password. For secure private email, ProtonMail is a top free choice. 7th is KeePass, the offline password manager. It stores all your passwords in a single encrypted file you control. No cloud, no third-party risk. You only need to remember one master password. KeePass can generate strong, unique passwords for every account. For hackers juggling dozens of aliases, it's essential. It's the self-hosted solution for managing your digital keys. 8th is VeraCrypt, the tool for encrypting files and drives. Create encrypted containers, or even hide a secret volume within another for plausible deniability. Without the password, your data is unreadable, even under pressure. VeraCrypt works on hard drives, USBs, and more. It's a digital safe with layers of protection. For sensitive data, VeraCrypt is a game changer. 9th is Whonix, a fortress-like operating system run in a virtual machine. It splits into two parts: a gateway that routes all traffic through Tor, and a workstation isolated from the internet. Even if malware hits, your real IP stays hidden. Whonix is for advanced users needing a persistent, secure environment. It's nearly impossible to leak your identity with Whonix. 10th is Qubes OS, the king of compartmentalization. Every task runs in its own isolated virtual machine, or cube. If one cube is compromised, the rest stay safe. You can run Whonix inside cubes for layered anonymity. It's like having multiple air-gapped computers in one. Qubes OS is the ultimate in digital isolation. 11th is OnionShare for anonymous file sharing. It creates a temporary secret .onion address for direct peer-to-peer transfers over Tor. No third-party servers, no digital trail, just a one-time self-destructing link. You can also receive files securely and anonymously. For whistleblowers and hackers, OnionShare is indispensable. 12th is a MAC address changer. Your device's MAC address is a unique hardware fingerprint. Networks can use it to track you. Spoofing your MAC address severs this link, making you appear as a new device each time. Tools like Tails and Whonix randomize your MAC automatically. It's a key step in erasing your physical device's digital trail. 13th is BleachBit, the digital shredder. It permanently deletes files, browser history, and system logs, overwriting data so it can't be recovered. BleachBit cleans up hidden junk and frees space securely. For hackers, it's essential to wipe traces before and after any operation. When you delete with BleachBit, it's gone for good. 14th is NoScript, a browser extension that blocks all scripts by default. Scripts can track you or exploit your browser. NoScript lets you allow only what you trust. It protects against web-based attacks and keeps your browsing secure. Especially on the dark web, it's a vital shield. NoScript turns your browser into a lockdown environment. 15th is Cryptomator, for encrypting files in the cloud. It creates a password-protected vault inside your cloud storage. Files are encrypted before they ever leave your device. Cloud providers see only scrambled data, not your real files. It's open source, easy to use, and trusted for privacy. With Cryptomator, any cloud becomes your private locker. And there you have it, 15 powerful, completely free tools designed to help you achieve maximum online anonymity and security. In today's digital world, protecting your privacy isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're a journalist, an activist, or simply someone who values their personal data, these tools can make a real difference in how you navigate the internet. From the privacy-focused Tor browser and the ultra-secure Tails operating system to encrypted messaging apps and file shredders that leave no trace, you now have a solid foundation for digital invisibility. Each tool serves a unique purpose, and together they form a powerful shield against prying eyes and data breaches. But remember, this information is shared strictly for educational and awareness purposes. The goal is to empower you to protect yourself, not to encourage any illegal or unethical activity. Always stay on the right side of the law and use these tools responsibly. Technology is incredibly powerful, and with great power comes great responsibility. Make ethical choices, respect others' privacy, and use your knowledge to create a safer digital world for everyone. If you found this video helpful or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.